Pat McGrath is a British Jamaican based in New York and the founder of Pat McGrath Labs, a beauty company with an estimated value of $1 billion. Trisha Bailey is an entrepreneur whose personal wealth is estimated to exceed $700 million. Anne-Marie Campbell is an executive vice president for U.S. stores and international operations at the Home Depot. Isaac Delgado, born in Kingston, Jamaica, was a businessman and philanthropist who founded Delgado Community College in New Orleans. Vincent Randy Chin, born in 1937, was the founder of VP Records, a renowned reggae and dancehall label. Emma Grade is the CEO and co-founder of Good American and a founding partner of Skims, a prominent figure in fashion and business. Lowell F. Hawthorne was instrumental in the growth of Golden Crust, a business founded in Jamaica by the Hawthorne family, with over 100 restaurants in the U.S. Vincent Hozang is the CEO and founder of Caribbean Food Delights and Royal Caribbean Bakery. James Bruce Lavelli, born in 1927, was a prominent businessman whose personal wealth was estimated to exceed $160 million. Graham N. Robinson is the Senior Vice President and President of Stanley Industrial at Stanley Black & Decker. Janice Savin Williams is a Senior Principal and co-founder of the Williams Capital Group, LP. Jackie Wright is the Chief Digital Officer and Corporate Vice President at Microsoft US. Richard Arthur Bogle, born in 1835, was Walla Walla's first black businessman and co-founder of the Walla Walla Savings and Loan Association. Joe Cato is an entrepreneur, founder of Periwinkle Group and Grab-and-Go Vending, involved in airport concessions and retail stores.